piece of foam here, and then the screen itself. What's going on, guys? This your boy Auto Lust, and the Android screen has arrived. Alright, so first off, it comes in this, well, it came in another box just a little bit bigger than this, big enough to hold this box, and then it's this cardboard box here. It says INAV, www.inavusa.com. I didn't order this directly from INAV. I ordered from 4x4shop.com, based in Canada, and it was about $750. And this is how it opens. You open these tabs here. This opens. This flap opens. And first thing you get is this here. This important caution on SIM card usage. And I guess this is where 2 SIM cards would go if it was some in here. See, man, that's crazy. These are like 2 dummy SIM cards in there. That's not even real. Those aren't even real SIM cards, see? So, I guess. I don't even know what this would be for, but I'm going to see if mine comes with a way you can add a SIM card. Alright, next is this piece of foam here. And then the screen itself. It says installation tips, CIC 4-pin, factory password, and I guess some original screen sizes and which size to select when you do your screen stretch. Take that out. Has a little temporary scratch protector on the front, and this one actually came with the anti-reflective HD screen. There it is, made in China on the back. And INAV is a Chinese company, and I guess it has the factory pins here, GPS, 4G, and LVDS. Alright, so I'm going to set this to the side. Feels pretty good though. Next, it comes with a GPS antenna. I think this is like a satellite radio antenna or something like that. This is the actual harness that goes from your factory harness, from your factory harness to the car, and it has an audio in and out. It runs the audio through a auxiliary cable, but I'm not going to use this. I ordered a new KNU Concepts, spelt with the K, both of them new Concepts, a real high-end audiophile grade auxiliary cord, so I can get the best sound possible, so I won't be using this. Okay, so far we have what I think is the satellite radio, GPS navigation, and the actual harness, and it's a fuse box built in there for safety. That's a good thing. Then we have this, which is a USB splitter, so you can run two USBs in a DVR TV in and out. If you were like to run like a 4K player, Blu-ray player, or something like that to the screen, you would use this. I'm not going to be using this. And a set of tweezers, plastic. I guess that's for the SIM card that it didn't come with. But I don't know if this SIM card is just for expandability or what, but I'm going to look on the side here. Yep, there's a place for a micro SD card. Yeah. Definitely a place for one on the side of the screen. So, yeah. And one thing this didn't come with, guys, it didn't come with any instructions, because what you do is once you made a profile on 4x4shop.com, you are they actually unlock the installation videos for you that show you step by step on how to install everything. I mean, but it's just a couple of plugs. I mean, how hard could it be? And it also came with, okay, I take that back. It did come with a quick set guide and Android Smart Navigation quick set. So it came with a couple of little instructions here. Yeah. But if you go to 4x4shop.com, once you've created an account, they open a, I guess, a fire door for you that you can go in that you usually couldn't go in on the website until you ordered something, and it has the installation video step by step. So I'm gonna watch a couple of those videos. All right. After toiling in this hot, humid garage, oh, you guys see I have this rear piece in here. The what is it called? The rollover protection pieces. I took the tan ones out that originally came in and put this in. This one here came cracked like that from California, but it doesn't matter because the headrest matches the height and it covers this up. The headrest slips down in these two holes, so you will never see that because the headrest is stationary. It locks in here and it sits onto that, so you will never see that. But ta-da! There's the Android screen, and oh man, it is gorgeous. And that's where you put in the SIM card and the SD card for expandable storage, because this is like a phone. You can actually put a plan on it for data and all type of stuff. It has internet and everything, but it wasn't that hard. I removed the radio. It's four bolts for this front panel, and then it's 4 bolts behind that for the radio. You pull the radio out, and everything else is plug and play. And the screen actually bolts into the factory spot, so everything is plug and play. The iDrive works, the steering wheel control works, and everything. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and get the key. Oh, also, before I go and get the key to show you guys the screen, I'm going to show you the red and crystal push button I installed. I no longer have the black push button. That is beautiful. Hold on, I'm going to turn off the torch here. All right, there we go. That is gorgeous. Crystal push button start with the red trimming, and it lights up. There you go. Well, you can't really tell. I'm going to cut off the light in the garage real quick so you guys can see how pretty that push button start is when the light is off. Oh yeah, that's the screen turning on too. See, it says connected drive, and then it's going to say Android. There you go. The boot time isn't long, but it isn't short either because it's just like a phone. It actually is a phone, the screen. So once the Android part goes away, you're going to see it says, there you go. See what it says? Phone is starting. So it's like a real phone, you know, but look how beautiful this push button is. You can see the start letters behind it also glowing. It says start, stop behind the button. That's so beautiful. And this will never scratch or wear off because it's crystal. That is so nice. But this is the screen here. And I'm going to give you guys a little walk around. Let me sit on this center console right here. This is on the Android side. As you can see, it's touchscreen. And this is the regular car side. Oh, wait. I apologize. This is the regular car side here. And I'm not going to be able to use the iDrive because I just sent power to this by pressing the button, but the key isn't in it, so the car isn't woken up. But if you press the start button, open the door, or open the trunk, it will turn on the auxiliary power until the battery reaches a certain voltage, and then it'll turn back off. So I can use this, but just not with the iDrive, but I can use the touch controls. And to get back into the Android system, since the original screen isn't touch screen, once you touch it, it goes directly into the Android system. It has apps, Google Maps, Play Store. You can download it. I downloaded Power Amp because it comes with two USB splitters that I ran through the glove box. And I have my USB with my music plugged into there. So I listen to it, everything on Power Amp, and you know, it's quick. It's quick. The music isn't going to play because, like I said, the car isn't turned on. But I can go and get the keys, press the push button again, and the car is going to turn on. But, I mean, this is beautiful. I love it. I love it. It's just like having it's just like having a phone built into your dashboard. Like, seriously, like, you see, it's just like a phone. It's crazy. I love it. I love it. You know. Okay, what else can I show you guys about this screen? I already put the ceramic coating screen, anti-scratch coating on the screen, and I have my nav. When I hit nav, it automatically goes to Google Maps. That's how I have it set up, to automatically go to Google Maps, because that's what I use. I use Google Maps, and I actually have my Wi-Fi connected to it also, because I don't have a plan on it yet with a SIM card, but I'm gonna buy like a little cheap $20 plan, because I'm just gonna use it for the Wi-Fi. I mean, for the navigation anyways, because like most people don't know that in your car you have navigation because it's already downloaded onto the hard drive in the car, that year's maps. That's why you can go anywhere you want with that year's map, and that's why it doesn't update on its own. You have to go to the dealership to update it. But having Google Maps and Waze or any other Android based navigation I can download from the Play Store, I can always have the newest maps, the live traffic with Waze. You know, they show you when the police is on the side of the road. I mean, you know, I love it. You know, and I researched in navigation, about an hour of navigation takes about 60 megabytes, and I can get a SIM card for $20 a month with 3 gigabytes. You know, it's 1,000 megabytes and 3 gigabytes. That'll last me 4 months, you know, so that's what I really want to primarily use it for. You know, I might do a little internet browsing, you know, and it has, it's a HD screen, 19 something by something. I mean, it's full HD. You can put a movie on a flash drive and it plays back movies, HD. I mean, it's a beautiful screen. You know, and once the car gets to a certain voltage, the screen will turn itself off, or I can turn it off and it won't draw power anymore unless I touch it and do a quick wake up. And the quick wake up is very fast. So, see, so that's, you know, I love that. So this is going to be the end of this video, guys, just showing you the screen. And, you know, this stuff is missing because the, man, it's so humid in this garage. All the trim is out right now on the dashboard and the doors and down here on the center console, because I'm getting it hydro dipped in carbon fiber. So in a future video very soon, I'm going to do the reveal on the carbon fiber pieces and the entire car together. So like, share, subscribe, and thank you guys for following the channel. Auto Lust out.